In the following video clips, we will observe 5 sessions where a child is learning to enjoy drawing. As you can see in the first video, the child does not enjoy drawing. In fact, he cries quite a lot. But very quickly, you can see that ignoring the crying and reinforcing drawing behaviors and fun will help him to enjoy drawing. Also observe the kinds of reinforcers that the mother finds very quickly by listening to the child's behavior and seeing what he responds to. These videos allow you to record the various drawing behaviours over time. So replay the videos as often as you need to and practice the different observation methods and the different intervals, for instance, the different time sampling and interval observations. Practice observing frequency and behavior and duration or latency of behaviours. For instance, the latency between the mother drawing and the child drawing, and the frequency of the mother drawing becoming less and less across sessions. As you can see, the frequency of the child drawing and the duration of the child drawing increasing over sessions. So this is the end of the learning to observe session.